Before we dive in, let's get one thing straight. This video is for educational purposes only. Everything you see and hear is meant to inform, not to encourage any kind of illegal activity or behavior. We do not condone or encourage any illegal activity. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge, not to promote misuse. Today, we'll explore how hackers and cybersecurity experts use Kali Linux to see through the illusion of mobile security, exposing what's really happening behind the scenes. We'll reveal 10 powerful tools that can dismantle the false sense of safety in your pocket, showing you just how vulnerable your device can be. Are you ready to see the system for what it is? To pull back the curtain and understand the reality behind your screen? Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights, tips, and deep dives into the world of cybersecurity and digital privacy. The information will be here, waiting for you whenever you're ready to take the next step. Let's begin. Metasploit. The name alone sends a chill down the spine of cybersecurity professionals and hackers alike. It's not just a tool, it's a framework for chaos, a digital Swiss Army knife for those who know how to wield it. Metasploit is a vast library of exploits, a collection of master keys designed to unlock digital doors that were meant to stay closed. Every app you install, every update you download, is like a new building rising in a city, each one with its own doors, windows, and hidden vulnerabilities. Metasploit holds not just the blueprints to these digital structures, but also the keys to unlock them, bypassing security with precision. Hackers don't need to build their own digital bombs from scratch anymore. They simply load the right exploit and payload using tools crafted by others. 4 simple commands are all it takes. Use exploit, set payload, set roast, and finally, exploit. With these, the process is almost mechanical. That's all it takes to shatter someone's privacy, to break through their defenses, and to take control of their digital life in seconds. Metasploit automates the art of intrusion, turning what once required deep expertise into a series of simple, repeatable steps that almost anyone can follow. Once inside, attackers can read your private messages, listen through your microphone, and even watch you through your camera, without you ever knowing. It's the foundation of countless high-profile hacks, a stark reminder that in the digital world, nothing is ever truly secure, no matter how strong it seems. Efficient, relentless, and always ready, Metasploit sits quietly inside Kali Linux, waiting for someone to notice the cracks in the system. The only real question is, who will be the first to use it, the defender or the attacker? Because in the end, a system is only as strong as its weakest lock, and Metasploit is always searching for that one weak link. Code is predictable. Humans are not. While computers follow strict logic and rules, people are driven by emotions, habits, and trust. This unpredictability is what makes us vulnerable in the digital world. The Social Engineering Toolkit, or SET, is a powerful tool that doesn't attack software vulnerabilities. It exploits human trust, not code. It's designed to manipulate people, not machines. SET can clone entire websites, craft emails that look exactly like messages from your bank or favorite store, and use psychological tricks to make you let your guard down. It turns your own psychology against you, making you believe what you see is real. A hacker might send you a link that's just one letter off from the real thing, so subtle you don't even notice. It's easy to miss, especially when you're busy or distracted. You click, thinking it's safe, and enter your credentials. In that moment, you've handed over the keys to your digital life, your emails, your bank accounts, your private information, all compromised in seconds. SET can also create malicious files, programs disguised as harmless attachments or updates, waiting for you to open them. Or it can set up fake Wi-Fi hotspots in public places, tricking you into connecting and funneling your data straight to the attacker, all without you realizing it. The attack feels personal because it is. Hackers use information from your social media, your habits, and your interests to craft messages that are tailored just for you, making them even harder to spot. The real exploit isn't in the technology, it's in human nature. Our willingness to trust, to help, or to act quickly can be turned against us. SET is just the engine that powers these attacks. The real target is your mind, your instincts, and your decisions. The weakest link in any security chain is always the person holding the phone or sitting at the keyboard. No matter how strong the technology, human error can open the door. You think you're solving a problem, clicking a link, or responding to a message, but in reality, you may have just created a much bigger one. Hackers don't need to break down the gate. They simply trick you into opening it for them. Trust is the true vulnerability, and it's what they exploit most. Awareness is your only real defense. Stay alert, question the unexpected, and remember, In cybersecurity, your mind is your strongest shield. Data travels in packets, little envelopes flying through networks. Wireshark is the ear that listens to them all. It captures every packet on a network, revealing what your phone is really saying. On public Wi-Fi, a hacker running Wireshark can see your browsing, your searches, even your passwords if the site isn't secure. It's passive, just listening, not attacking. Skilled users filter the chaos, reconstructing files and messages. Wireshark exposes the illusion of privacy. It's a tool for learning, but in the wrong hands, it's surveillance. No need to break into your phone, just be on the same network. Your device whispers secrets into the void, and Wireshark hears them all. Encryption is your only shield. Never trust public networks with your private data. Before attacking, you need a map. Nmap is the cartographer. It scans your device, knocking on every digital door, your ports. Open ports are open doors, often left by misconfigurations or outdated apps. Nmap identifies what's running, which versions, and where vulnerabilities lie. A simple scan reveals your phone's services and potential entry points. It's the first step in any hack information gathering. Nmap turns a black box into a detailed schematic. The more you know about a target, the easier it is to break in. Most attacks start with a scan. Don't leave your doors unlocked. Update, patch, and close what you don't use. Subtlety isn't always the answer. Sometimes brute force wins. Hydra is a relentless password guesser, trying millions of combinations at lightning speed. It attacks login forms in parallel, never tiring, never stopping. Weak passwords fall in seconds. Strong ones turn the task into a marathon. People reuse passwords. Pick simple ones. Hydra exploits this laziness. It's noisy, triggering alerts, but devastating if there's no lockout. Each failed attempt is a blow against the door. Eventually, the right combination opens it. Password strength is your only defense. Use unique, complex passwords for every account. Don't let brute force be your downfall. The simplest mistakes are the easiest to exploit. What if your phone was the weapon? Kali NetHunter makes it possible. It's Kali Linux, re-engineered for Android, turning your phone into a portable hacking platform. With NetHunter, you can run tools like Nmap, Metasploit, and Wireshark natively. Wireless attacks, evil twin hotspots, HID attacks, your phone becomes a Trojan horse. Discreet and powerful, it lets hackers operate anywhere, unnoticed. The device everyone trusts becomes the threat. NetHunter democratizes on-the-go network testing and physical access attacks. It's a security researcher's dream and a nightmare for everyone else. The line between target and attacker blurs. Your phone can be both shield and sword. Every app is a black box. MobSF performs the autopsy. Upload an APK or IPA and MobSF dissects it, revealing code, permissions, and hidden flaws. It finds hard-coded secrets, insecure storage, weak cryptography. Static and dynamic analysis expose vulnerabilities and risky behaviors. MobSF creates a security report, a medical chart for the app's health. For hackers, it's a treasure map to weaknesses. For users, it's a warning. Don't trust an app just because it's in the store. The friendly interface hides ugly truths. MobSF shows what's really under the hood. Trust but verify, always. Why break down the door when you can install your own? Evil Droid creates malicious APKs by injecting payloads into trusted apps. The repackaged app looks and works like the original but secretly opens a back door. Victims install it, unaware they're giving up control. Distribution is the challenge. Hackers use social engineering, fake app stores, or phishing. Trust becomes the attack vector. The desire for free software blinds users to danger. The biggest threats are often disguised as gifts. Don't install apps from untrusted sources. Gaining access is one thing. Controlling it is another. AndroRat is the hacker's control panel, turning your phone into a puppet. Once installed, it gives attackers a dashboard to browse files, read messages, track location, and activate cameras or microphones. No complex commands, just point and click. It's the ultimate privacy invasion. Your phone becomes a 24/7 surveillance device. AndroRat is the end game. Total takeover. The tool is simple, the consequences profound. Protect your device or risk losing control. Zonti puts network hacking in your hand. No laptop required. It maps networks, scans devices, and identifies vulnerabilities with ease. Man-in-the-middle attacks, session hijacking, and password capture are just taps away. Complex attacks become accessible to anyone with a rooted phone. Zonti automates reconnaissance and exploitation. On any Wi-Fi, anyone could be a threat. The barrier to entry is gone. Shared networks are now hostile territory. Trust your network? Think again. 10 tools, 10 ways to shatter the illusion of security. The real vulnerability isn't code, it's trust. Don't assume someone else has your best interests at heart. Knowledge is your only defense. Use strong, unique passwords. Be skeptical of links and attachments. Be careful with networks and apps. These aren't just tips, they're survival rules. Remain a passive target or start questioning. The system's flaws are exposed. What you do next is up to you. Let this knowledge empower you. Stay vigilant, stay paranoid. It's the only way to stay safe and ethical online.